In food production, every gram matters. Waste, inconsistency, and slow throughput cost time and money. CombiMaster lets you load once, portion perfectly, and pack faster, with low-drop delivery that protects product integrity, while achieving higher yield, less waste, and requiring minimal training. CombiMaster is a high-precision combination weigher designed to handle a wide range of products, from meat and poultry, raw, cooked, or marinated, to sliced vegetables, mushrooms, and fruits, ready meals and convenience food, and premixes like pasta, couscous, and rice bowls. Using up to 12 intelligent load cells, the CombiMaster dynamically feeds and calculates the perfect portion in real time, achieving accuracy within 1% of target weight. Each hopper operates within a controlled weight range, allowing the system to intelligently combine products to reach the exact target portion. The process is simple: load, portion, pack. When the green light confirms the perfect combination, CombiMaster deposits directly into the indexed pack, every time. CombiMaster also delivers precise weight control for product blends and mixes, ensuring every pack meets exact specification. CombiMaster increases throughput by up to 50%, delivering up to 30 portions per minute per operator. Store over 1,000 product presets in the system, enabling any operator to run the machine with minimal training. Use it standalone, or integrate seamlessly with Marco's yield control module, streamlining line startups, consolidating batch reports, and allowing you to monitor production in real time. Cleaning is effortless, with one-touch access to all cleaning functions and tool-free part removal for fast, thorough washdowns. With a full set of replacement parts, switch from one run to the next in less than 10 minutes. The unique conveyor design ensures product setup is as simple as possible, configured in seconds with no tools required. Compact and mobile, CombiMaster is designed for modern production environments. Easy to clean, easy to move, easy to scale. More yield, less waste, total control. Discover more today